Let's see the next question. Okay. Question number 4. So question number 4 is from algebra, solving polynomials. Okay, fine. So the function f of x is given there, 4x cubed plus ax squared negative 29x plus b. Okay, where a and b are constants. Okay, they have given that the factor of f of x is twice of x plus 1. We need to show that a plus 4b equals to negative 56. So we can see that the factor, one of the factor of f of x is given there. So we can use the factor theorem here directly. So according to factor theorem, since twice of x plus 1 is a factor of f of x, so we can write twice of x plus 1 equals 0. From there we can write x equals to what? Negative half. So we will put this value of x into the function f of negative half equals to what? That would be negative 1 over 2 whole cube, which is negative 1 over 8. So 4 times negative 1 over 8. Next, plus ax squared, that would be plus 1 over 4 a, and then negative 29x. So that would be plus 29 over 2 plus b. Okay, so that would be negative half plus 1 over 4a plus 29 over 2 plus b. Okay, so since x equals to negative half, this is the root to the equation to the function f of x. So we can write f of negative half can be written as equals to what? 0. So just put the values. What we got? Negative half plus 29 over 2. This is 14. So 14 plus 1/4 of a plus b, it's equals 0. So from there, what we can do? We can multiply both sides by 4. So if you multiply both sides by 4, you'll get a plus 4b, and take this 14 to the right side. You'll get negative 56. That's it. Showed. Okay. Okay, the next question. Given also that when f of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is negative 25. So the remainder is given. So that means we can use the remainder theorem in this context. Okay. So they are asking for another simplified equation in terms of a and b. Okay, for part b, we will use the remainder theorem. Okay, so f of 2 would be equal to what? What was the remainder? Negative 25. Negative 25. Okay. Now if you put x equals 2 into the equation of f of x, we will get 2 cube is 8. 8 times 4. This is 32. Okay. Then plus ax squared. So that would be 4a plus 4a, and then negative 29x. So 29 times 2, this is negative 58 plus b equals to, it's negative 25. Okay. So 4a plus b can be written as 32 minus 58 is negative 26. If you take it to the right, you will get plus 26. So 26 minus 25, this is positive 1. Just the second equation we got, linking A and B. That's it. That's the answer. Okay. So for part C, hence, they said hence. That means we need to use the previous workings using algebra and showing your working. Find the value of A and the value of B. Just we got two simultaneous equations. One is A plus 4B and the other one is 4A plus B. So what we can do, we can multiply the second equation. Consider this one as the first one and this one as the second one. So we can multiply the second one by -4 and then add it with the first equation. So for part C, part 1, okay. So we will be adding equation 1 with the equation 2 multiplied by -4. So what we will get? The first equation we got A plus 4B. A plus 4B equals -56. And the second equation we got, it was 4A plus B. So 4A plus B times -4. It will be -16A -4B equals to -4. Just using the elimination method. So 4B cancels out. We'll get -17A equals to -60. Right? For A plus B. So -16A -4B equals to -4. So -16 plus A, this is not 17. Yeah. Okay, that was wrong. Okay, -15. So now we can get the value for A, which is just 4. And the value for B, it's what? Just we will put it any of the equation. This is easier. So 1 minus 4B, 4A. 1 minus 4A. A is 4. So 1 minus 4 is -3. That's the value of A and B. Done. So next, for part 2. For part 2, they said to factorize f of x. Okay. So at first, plug in the values of A and B. We got f of x equals to what? 4x cubed, 4x cubed plus 4x cubed plus 4x squared negative 29x minus 3. Yeah. So we know that the factor, one of the factor of f of x is twice of x plus 1. So if you divide this whole function by algebraic long division, using algebraic long division, and use the factor twice of x plus 1, if you divide f of x using this factor, we can easily factorize the function f of x. So 29x negative 3, we are dividing it using algebraic long division. So at first, 4x cubed there. So the first term is 4x cubed. So what we need to multiply with the first term of the factor to get 4x cubed. Definitely this is twice of x squared. So we'll get 4x cubed plus what? Twice of x squared times 1. This is twice of x squared. Now subtract from the above 1, subtract the below 1. So what you will get? Twice of x squared. And then take this negative 29x. Negative 29x. So now we got two terms there. We got two terms in the factor. Okay. So what we need to multiply with the first term, twice of x of the factor, to get twice of x squared. This is plus x just. So we'll get twice of x squared plus x. Now again subtract twice of x squared, cancels out each other. You will get what? Negative 30x negative what? 3. So we got negative 30x negative 3. Okay, we got negative 30x negative 3. Okay. Twice of x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. So definitely the remainder should be 0. I think we did something wrong there. Oh, that one was 1 minus 4a. So the value of a is what? 4. So 4 times 4, this is 16. 1 minus 16, this is negative 15, not negative 3. This should be negative 15. Okay, that's it will be just negative 15. Okay, negative 15. Done. Just put negative 15 there. Now you can do the multiplication. We will have 0 remainder. So we need to multiply by negative 2 there. We will get negative 15. We need to multiply by negative 15. So we'll get negative 30x negative 15. The remainder would be 0. So we can write f of x equals to twice of x plus 1 times 2x squared plus x minus 45. Okay, now we can factorize this twice of this quadratic factor. 2 times 45, this is 90. So 10 times 9, this is 90. That's how you can factorize it. So twice of x plus 1. So twice of x squared plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. We are using middle term factorization. So we'll get twice x plus 1. And then if you take twice of x common from there, you will get x plus 5. Let's move to the next page. Okay, we got twice of x plus 1 times what? Twice of x taken common. So x plus 5. And then we can, from there, we can take negative 9. Negative 9 times x plus 5. Yeah, that's it. So this is the fully factorized form of the function f of x. That's it.